Unit 11, The Wind in the Willows, A Tale of Animal Friendship, September 20th. When summer comes, Badger attempts to convince Toad to give up driving. When this fails, Badger, Rat, and Mole confine Toad to his room to try to cure his driving addiction by making him go cold turkey. However, Toad tricks Rat into leaving him alone and escapes. He proceeds to steal a car and causes yet another accident, which results in him being sentenced to 20 years in jail as punishment. Toad is in despair, but he is aided by the jailer's daughter, who is sympathetic to his troubles. She disguises him in her aunt's washerwoman's clothes, and he escapes the prison. A series of adventures follow as Toad flees pursuit, is thrown into a canal, steals and subsequently sells a horse, and ends up being chased by the owners of the very car he stole in the first place. He falls into a river and is hauled out by Rat, who informs him that the Wild Wooders have taken possession of Toad Hall in Toad's absence. Fortunately, his friends are there to help. Badger leads Rat, Mole, and Toad into Toad Hall via a secret tunnel. The four heroes disrupt a feast and give the Wild Wooders a thorough thrashing, beating some respect into their opponents to ensure the Wild Wooders never bother them again. They plan a banquet to celebrate their triumph, but are concerned that Toad will spoil everything with his arrogant boasting. However, Toad has turned over a new leaf, becoming modest and humble as he seeks to make up for his past behavior. His friends are pleased, if a little confused, by this welcome change, and they live happily ever after.